Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be going over what's in my living room. Excuse the mess everyone. I do have a bunch of parts scattered around everywhere just from what's been coming in the last couple of weeks. I told you guys I'd keep everyone updated. So we're going to go over and see what we've got. So first pig in the room, as everyone sees here, this is my new differential. It is a 9-inch aluminum housing. It's a heavy duty aluminum housing. And it does have the 373 gear ratio in it. This is going to be going, as everyone knows, in the yellow Mustang. Next box here, this is, we'll just go through right here. These are the drag link, toe links. What are these things? Rear lower control arm fairings.
Part number. I'm going to just say it again. So this is what I got here.
This is what I got here is the BMR vertical links. These are the rear lower control arm spherical bushings. They all are in this box, made out of billet aluminum. They're very heavy duty, just like the rest of the BMR stuff that I've gotten. What?
Pull it up out of the box.
I already showed one.
Okay,
Flashlight. So this is what they look like. These are the bushing sliding out there. These are the vertical links for the rear of the car, made out of a nice solid aluminum. Bushing inside of there, I believe it's a polyurethane bushing. They are very, very nice. This box here is the seat brackets for the seats that we've already shown you guys. Hopefully you guys watched that video. If you haven't, definitely go back and check it out. Next is the racing suit. I did have a racing suit made. It is a 3 extra large. It's a Race Equip suit with my last name written on it. I got gloves, the collar brace, and a pair of shoes to fit my ginormous feet. Let's see. Oh, we got these VP Racing jugs on the internet. They're pink. I just had to be a little different. Everyone else usually does white or black or something, but
or yellow.
Or yellow. I got pink. Pretty nice, I'd say. And I also got all the tubes because that was the hardest thing to find. All those. This is the Wilwood stuff for the car. It's the, well, this isn't the right one. The other one's somewhere.
It's in that box right there.
Here it is right here. This is the Wilwood compact master cylinder with reservoir here. It's a GS compact. This is the part number if anybody's interested. This is the vertical horizontal handbrake setup that I had purchased. Sits in the car like this, and you pull up and down on it as so. Alright everyone, so this is the last box here. This is something I've been waiting on for a little while. I'm very, very proud of what I had purchased. So, this is the Viking Crusader double adjustable rear shock. I'm actually going to be swapping these out for the triple adjustable since I haven't used them yet and they just came out with them. If I would have known that, I would definitely purchase those to begin with. But these are, like I said, the Viking Crusader double adjustable rear shocks for the car. I did get a matching pair of those. There's right here in this box there. Here is the Viking Crusader. This is the double adjustable front coilover. Let's see here. I'll open up one of these springs for you. Put it on. I'm going to show you just a little bit how it's going to sit in there. It's going to look something kind of along the lines of this. There's going to be some more pieces along the lines, which I do got here to put it all together. This is one I'm going to have to use some instructions for. Like I said in another video, it's just all a big puzzle and it's all starting to come together slowly but surely. But that's it for the Viking stuff. Let's put this all back up. This is that Cornwall AN soft jaw wrenches that I had purchased. Pretty nice quality here. Probably open for you. They definitely sparkle. Goes all the way from size 6 to 20 620. Everything in between. Very good quality set that I got off of the Cornwall truck last week. Since I work at a dealership, definitely comes in handy at times.